Hello, kids, and welcome to English Grammar, Chapter 24 Active and Passive Voice. In this session, I'll be taking the first part of this chapter. The active and passive voices are ways of showing the relation between the doer and the receiver of an action. Doer and receiver, the person who is doing and the person who is receiving. In the active voice, the subject does the action. Children, listen attentively. In the active voice, the subject does the action, and in the passive voice, the receiver does the action. Tina broke the window pane. Now, the subject here is Tina and object here is the window pane. So, when you write in passive, the object will become the subject. The window pane was broken by Tina. Subject will become object and object will become subject. We will learn in detail about the formation of active to passive. Active to passive conversion. When we change a sentence in the active voice into the passive, the object of the sentence becomes its subject. The verb takes on the passive form. Okay, there is a change in the verb form also. And what is that rule? Be form of verb plus past participle of the verb. Be form means is, am, are, was or were plus past participle of the verb. For example, Priya subject, submitted is the verb, the assignment is the object. So when you write in passive, the object, that is the assignment, was submitted by Priya. In the passive voice, when the subject of the active sentence becomes after the verb, we add by before it. Rohan painted the fence. The fence was painted by Rohan. This table is very important because in this verb we'll be learning how there is a change in verb from active to passive. And if you have learned this, you will be doing any sort of active to passive sentences. First one, simple present tense. In active voice, we write, he cleans his car every day. What is the verb here? Cleans. So in passive, the car, that is the object, now has become the subject. The car is cleaned by him every day. And what is the form of passive? Is, am or are plus past participle of the verb. For simple past, Rohit took the car yesterday. The car was taken by Rohit yesterday. Was or were plus past participle. And for simple future, Tina will finish the work tomorrow. The work will be finished tomorrow by Tina. Will plus be plus past participle. Children, attentively see the difference, how from active they are transforming into passive form, taking the help of the rules given. Okay, try to understand that how they are getting changed. Simple future, that is the going to form of it. Tina is going to make dinner tomorrow. Dinner is going to be made. To be they have added. To be made by Tina tomorrow. Going to plus be plus past participle. Present continuous. The police is following the suspect. The suspect is being followed. Is following has become is being followed by the police. Am, is or are plus being plus past participle. Past continuous. The workers were distributing sweets. The sweets were being distributed by the workers. Were distributing has been changed to were being distributed. In all the passive voice, you will be finding past participle. All the passive voice. Was plus were plus being plus past participle. You can see the last column of this table. Everywhere past participle word is being used. Then present perfect. The teacher has graded the answer sheets. The answer sheets have been graded by the teacher. Has or have plus been plus past participle. Past perfect. Sumit had driven many cars before he bought this one. Many cars had been driven. Had driven has changed to had been driven by Sumit before he bought this one. Had plus been plus past participle. Future perfect. Rohan will have completed the project before the deadline. The project will have been completed by Rohan before the deadline. Will have has been changed to will have been completed. So will have plus been plus past participle. Modal verbs. What are modal verbs? Could, should, can, should. The police may discuss the problem soon. The problem may be discussed by the principal soon. Modal plus be plus past participle of verb. Exercise 1. Change these sentences from the active voice into the passive voice. The waiter at the restaurant served hot tea. First, children identify the verb. Verb is served. After that, what comes? Hot tea. So, we will take that as subject. Hot tea served will become was served by the waiter. Before writing the waiter, you have to write by. By the waiter at the restaurant. At the restaurant is a phrase that you can use anywhere. The superstitious villagers readily believed his stories. So after believed, it is his story. So that will become the subject. His stories were readily believed by the superstitious villagers. My mother has forgiven me for my rude behavior. So after the verb that is has forgiven, it is me. So when you write me in subject, it will become my. My rude behavior has been forgiven by my mother. The noise of the crackers shocked me. The verb here is shocked. After shocked comes me. So me will become I. I was shocked by the noise of the crackers. Has the school announced the date of the annual function? Now, when you have active voice in question form, in the passive also you have to write in question form only. So, what is the object here? The date of annual day. So, has the date of the annual function been announced by the school? Question mark. My friend conducts classes twice a week. Classes are conducted by my friend twice a week. The jury has found the accused innocent of all charges. Verb here is found. After that comes the accused has been found innocent of all charges by the jury. Now, innocent of all charges is the phrase, so that you can adjust anywhere. The instructor advised us to practice daily. We were advised, us. Us is the object. So, when you write that in subject, it will become we. We were advised. We is plural, so we will write were. We were advised to practice daily. Lee is playing the sitar. The sitar is being played by Lee. Rukun was washing the dishes when you came. The dishes were being washed. Was washing has transformed to were being washed by Rukun when you came. The director wrote the script. The script was written by the director. Someone left a phone in the theater. So verb here is left. After that what comes? A phone. A phone was left in the theater. It's the phrase. In the theater you can adjust anywhere. A phone was left in the theater by someone. He will water the lawn tomorrow. What is the verb here? Will water. The lawn will be watered by him tomorrow. Tomorrow you can place anywhere. Before the elections, the politician had promised clean drinking water for all. Now, before the elections is a phrase, so you can use either in the beginning or at the end. Before the elections, clean drinking water had been promised for all by the politician. Rohit must follow my direction. My directions must be followed by Rohit. By the year 2050, scientists will have discovered an alternative to petrol. So, by the year 2050 is the phrase. An alternative to petrol will have been discovered by the scientist. Astronauts may discover water on Mars. Water may be discovered on Mars by astronauts. May discovered has transformed to may be discovered. Children are plucking flowers from the garden. Flowers are being plucked from the garden by the children. Are plucking is being changed to are being plucked. Has she explained all the rules? Have all the rules. Now here we have to transform to have because now the subject is plural. Has she is singular. Now here all the rules. So that is plural. So have we will be using in place of has. Have all the rules been explained by her? Have you put the fruits in the basket? Have the fruits been put in the basket? Do learn that table properly. It will definitely help you in framing active to passive. So homework for today's session is write exercise 1 in notebook. Thank you and may God bless you.